So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's vlog, I'm going to do a quick haul. So, I think this month of July is National Lipstick Day. So, from July 1st to 31, some of the brands, they joined yung National Lipstick Day. So, they offer most of the lips items or products na naka 50 off, but yung Maybelline is naka ano lang siya, parang less 100, and then the rest are less 150 ganon. Tapos yung ibang brands naman less 30%, and yung iba is less no, I mean buy one get one. So disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. So kasi yung binili ko nung nag-sale yung Maybelline, yung 143, that's the biggest sale na na-purchase ko. Yung vinyl lipstick nila is from 499, 143 na lang. So wait lang kasi may plano guys. So moving on, disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. Gusto ko lang i-flex yung napamili natin sa Watsons. And ito lang siya, konti lang naman siya guys. And then ako nahihiya, I use the Maya credit, shoutout kay Maya, by purchasing this one. So Maya is like a GCash, and so meron akong doon, credit line, which is 5,000 lang naman, but hindi ko siya inubos, pang lang siya, pang emergency. So yan, I'll be pick up randomly na lang. Yung iba rito, inad ko na rin para para medyo dumami yung ating yung ating what do you call this, ating haul. So first is, ito kasi yung purpose ko bakit ako pumunta ng Watsons, and then nakita ko yung lagi ako tinatawag ng signage ng Ever Belena na less 50%. So inuna ko to, may discount kasi ako sa Watsons since I am operated, yung company ko is operated by Watsons. And sorry pala guys, ako, breakouts. So, I'll be, next naman sa ko, sa list, I'll be, what do you call this, reviewing yung mga pimple patches, kung ano yung best pimple patches. So, yun, alcohol, na yan nawawala. And then, this one, yung sisters, kasi, may less 2 pesos pa, diba? Why not? Kasi less 10%, 25, so less 2.2. And another airplane na naman, saglit lang guys, I need to post. So ayan, moving on, bilisan na natin kasi ang dami ko pang gagawin. So next is itong Watsons Acne Patch. I wonder why dun sa Watsons Ayala, Manila Bay is hindi nila nilist dun sa sa employee discount. Yun. Pero dito sa Aura, nilast nila 10%. And this one is only 45 pesos. Ayan, favorite ko to. This one is the Silk Secrets All Control Sheet. Ayan. Blotting paper yan. 45 lang yan. So, I need to put it down kasi nangangawit na ako. So, mag-move na tayo dito sa lipstick. Ay, hindi muna. Ito kasi si Glow Booster is only 24 or 24 pesos lang yan. So, yan. Kailangan ko kasi yan yung mga blemishes ko. I need to brighten those blemishes. Pasensya na kayo sa buhok ko guys. Talagang nakakainis siya. Nagpa-fly away na siya kasi na siya, nandito na siya sa balikat. And, ayan, dito na tayo sa exciting part. Kasi natitempt ako dun sa Roman mag-purchase. So, ito, I purchased 5 sale items. So, most of the items are from Ever Belena. So, Ever Belena, baka naman. So, hindi ko na siya i-review. Kayo nang bahala So, the first one is the Matte Color Lock Lippy. Yan siya. And this is in the shade of Editorial. I love red lipstick. So, this is red lipstick. And next naman is, ito is napanood ko lang sa isang vlog. This is Matte Liquid Lipstick. Yan, from Ever Belena. And this is in the shade of soft cinnamon. So, may nagustuhan pa akong isang color doon, but ito lang yung nagustuhan ko. Yun, guys. Kasi, I need to use a bold lipstick color since wala na akong makeup allowance. So, I need to take this opportunity to buy the lipstick, and this is also gift ko na rin sa aking sarili, I guess. O yan, may aeroplano na naman, guys. So, moving on, guys. I'm tired na kasi till yesterday I was in the gym, and then the other day, last Friday, nag-walking tayo para ma-burn yung aking mga kinain. Kasi 2 days ang lafang days ko. So, segue lang tayo. Yung lafang days ko, nilibre lang ako ng store manager ko kasi yung promise mo ng birthday ko. Nag-unlimited samgyup kami, and then so that was when Thursday. Then Friday, may pa-lunch yung company sa Fridays. So, yan. So, next one is again from Everbalena. I love Everbalena, no? Yan. Simula na nag-ano sila, sponsored kay Miss Universe. Yun, halos lahat ng makeups doon are used. Sponsored by Everbalena, I mean. Kasi local brand ito since nandito na tayo sa Pilipinas. So, wag na tayo magpaka-ano, di ba? Magpaka-social. Wala naman na tayong pambili ng international or luxury brand. So, next one is itong si Bullet Lipstick. Yan, K-Beauty. So, alam niyo naman, medyo dito ang K-Beauty, malakas ang Korean beauty dito. So, I think this is inspired by Korean beauty. So, hindi ko na siya i-open din. I'll check if I still have time. So, this one is Marshmallow Berry. Actually, dala yung gusto kong color. Ito lang yung pinaka, parang priority ko muna as of now. Kasi budgeted lang yung pera ko. So, next one is a Serum Tinted Lip Balm. Ba't ko siya nagustuhan? Kasi it is infused with hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and vitamin E. So, dupe siya ni Romand. Yung, niya doon, yung parang jelly gloss niya doon. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo uso yung mga jelly or gloss type of lipstick because this 2024, the trend of makeup is creamy makeup. So, creamy blush, liquid blush, jelly or tinted moisturizer, parang lang ganon, and tinted something like that. Basta, it's more on jelly, more on creamy, pati eyeshadow. Si Huda Beauty nga ang nagpauso ngayon ng yun. Hindi siya ganong creamy, but it's yun ang beauty trend for this year, 2024. Isa lang pala yung nabili ko sa isa lang yung nagustuhan ko kay Careline Matte. Pero 2 colors yung gusto ko doon. So, kasi nga, priority ko lang. Gusto ko lang naman siya i-review and i-try dahil naka-50 off siya. The rest are tinted and lip. Kasi kay Beauty, diba? I am not after the tinted, pero gusto ko siyang balikan yung iba. Kasi, pero yung iba na pagpilian na kasi they started on July 1st. So, nag-shopping na yung iba. So, this one is in the shade of Misfit. Alam niyo kung bakit ko kinuha yung Misfit? Because this is the last piece. Kaya, nakuha ko na. So, yung isang color, okay naman siya. It's a light pink. Pero, ito yung priority ko. Kasi nga, yan nga, budgeted lang yung aking pera. So, wala na ako sa Kuwait, guys. Peso na lang ang aking sinasahod ko. So, peso na rin ang ang ginagastos dito. So, the total of na-purchase natin is yan, ang utang natin kay Paya is 744.95. So, round na natin, it's 745 pesos, guys. Not bad kasi yung iba is discounted by my company employee discount na naglalaglagan na. So, I think that's it for today's, guys. Kasi I need to, I need to fix all the things kasi I'm morning shift for this week. And today is Sunday. So, I didn't do anything. Hindi ako nag-walking. Hindi rin ako na gym. Ayun. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for still watching my vlog, and see you on my future vlogs. Bye guys.